Okay, so I was just like watching something very random by Fredbear Trademark. Yeah, I was watching that, and then I just saw one of JG's videos, and I'm like, how the flip did that get there? But I wasn't asking any questions. And basically it was called Blue or Purple. And at first I actually thought it was an old video. But I found out it was a new video. So that's something. And I just said it's a dark blue, I believe. Yeah, that's what I think. And then I just scrolled down. What? Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Okay, that was unexpected. Whoa! There's a link to my channel. Oh gosh, I wasn't expecting that. I'm not saying it's bad that you gave me a shout out. Well, because... Well, huh. Okay, I think I'm gonna do screen recorder, see if that works better than Mobus. And also, but thank you for shouting me out, JJ. My God, I was not expecting that. Oh God. Wow. That's